Yeah, arithmetic,
Logical.
Logical and relational.
relational भी था जिसको comparison भी बोलते हैं is
Augmented assignment.
हाँ relational. Then we had logical, then we had assignment and augmented assignment. Assignment, ठीक है. Now, one new type of operator that we will see is today. So these are the ones that we have covered. Okay, ये सारा हमने कर रखा है. We have done it. Okay. One that is left is इसके अलावा भी है, but we'll start with left shift and right shift operators. Now you must be wondering कि why I left this. अभी समझ में आ जाएगा. Because these are based on what you say is the primary this binary numbers. So till the time you cover binary number, you won't be able to understand these shift operators. Okay. So we'll see this. Left shift operator. Okay. Just a minute. Right. So left shift operator क्या होता है? It's two, what you say is ये लेस देन है कि ग्रेटर देन है? कौन सा सिंबल? ग्रेटर देन, लेस देन,
Less
जो भी.
than.
हाँ. Anyways,
Right.
whichever is pointing towards left. ठीक है, जिसका टिप देखोगे लेफ्ट की तरफ पॉइंट कर रहा है, टुगेदर विदाउट स्पेस, it is known as left shift operator. So if somebody tells you, example 2 3, what will be the answer? So what does this mean is, if 2 is shifted 3 times, that means whatever is this number, if you shift it 3 bits, what will be the result? Okay. So if you see this operator, first, the very first thing that you should do is convert this into binary number. जिस नंबर को 3 times shift करना है. So what is this number? 1 0. Okay. And before this, you can imagine 0 0 0 0 like that. Okay. Now, what this question says is, all the digits will be shifted 3 times towards the left. Okay. So here, if you shift all the digits 3 times towards left, what
So
will
it
be?
will be 0 0 0 1 0.
It will be something like this. One will go 1 2 3. So it will come here. Okay. So after that, 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0. Okay. And whatever is the digit before it, that is 0, you can ignore those. Now tell me, if you again convert it back to int, okay, first we converted to binary. When we converted to binary, 3 bits, then second step was 3 bits shift. Okay. So, and finally back to int. Back to int.
Sir, 16, sir.
16, sir.
1 2 3. So now tell me, what will be the integer equivalent of this?
16.
16.
16. Okay, let's test it out. right? Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, similarly, so what do you understand?
So
Because in
sir, first we should convert to binary, then to
ha,
integer.
no, in crux, what does it mean? Every time you shift by one digit left, okay, the number gets multiplied by 2. You know why? Because the subsequent positional values or the place values in binary number is to the
Power
powers of.
of 2.
Okay, so left shift means you will multiply by
Multiply by 2.
2 times left shift means multiplied by 4. 3 times left shift means multiplied by 8. So therefore, 2, if you shift the digits 3 times, that means one time will be 2, another time will be 4, another time will be 8. So 2 multiplied by 8 will give you 16. In short, वैसे तो इसका मैंने ये तुम्हें दिखा दिया सॉल्व करके, that I have shown कि why it comes 16. Okay, so is this clear concept कि why we get this way?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, पूजा, रुचिका, नैनिका, आप लोग भी बताइए. Are they okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ठीक. Just a minute. Right. Now, second type of operator that we will explore here is the same thing, but a right shift operator. ये शायद जो भी बोलो ग्रेटर देन ये जो 2 times if you write, ठीक है, where the tip is pointing towards right, that is known as right shift. Concept is same. Okay, concept here is also same. इसका आंसर बताओ क्या होगा? Try it out. Here the only difference is 3-bit shift to left. यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 3-bit shift, 1-bit shift to right. If you print it, what will be the answer?
So 1.
1. Let us see. Binary. Okay. Binary में इसका result हो जाएगा 1 0. Okay. Now, because this is 0 is the last digit, after which there is nothing. You can imagine a cliff, a valley, whatever. So anything which is shifted towards right will fall down and will be eliminated. ठीक है? After the last digit will be lost or eliminated. ठीक है? So if you shift towards 1-bit shift towards right. Okay. 1-bit shift towards right. So what will happen? So this is the last digit. This will fall down in the cliff, valley, whatever you imagine after it. So, and this will come in its place. So it will remain as 1 only. And converting back to int will give you
2
1
to the
k.
power 0, 1.
So 1 is 1 only, right? So towards right. So what if I shift it 2 times? What if 2 is shifted towards right 2 times?
It become
What it will become?
So it will become 1 1.
1.
देखो, see here, 1 1 0. This is the last place. Okay, before that you can imagine 0, that is a different thing. Okay, last place. So you have to shift two times. Okay, this one cannot shift anymore, so it will fall down. Okay, this one, if you shift it one time and then another time, it will also fall down. Okay, the rest of the zeros will come back. This zero will come here. Sorry, this zero will come here, and this zero will come here. So everything will be zero. समझ रहे हो? Write it in steps. First to fall will be this zero. Okay, this line. Second to fall will be this one. Okay, इसको मैं ये लिख देता हूँ. Second to fall will be this coming here. This will fall in two part. इसको थोड़ा सा और wait. I have shown intermediate steps here. So I was showing you 1 0. Okay, so this though in one attempt it will go down because there is no place at all to shift, so it will fall down, eliminated. This one time it will come here, last bit, and again another time it will also go down. Okay, it is also eliminated. Before that you can imagine zeros being filled. Okay, so this zero then third bit will fall 1 2, it will come here. Okay, and this will come at the place of 1. I'm just making a curve so that you can distinguish between this line and this line. This you will learn in electrical circuits, electrical engineering and physics. Whenever you have to show two wires, you cannot just make it a straight line. Else, it won't be clear which wire is it tied to this wire, or after this point which wire is going which side. So you just have to make a curve around, which suggests that this wire is then curving around and then it's coming here. Okay, so I'll write in steps now. First step will be this zero falling because there is no space at all to shift even once. Then second, it will try to go down. First step it will come here, second step it will fall. So this is the second one to be dropped. Then in third time this bit, this zero will come to 1 and 1, two places. It will come here, and fourth time this zero 1, and then again here it will come here. So this is fourth. Okay, so final result will be 0 0 0 0. Okay, इसके पहले वाले जो zeros हैं imaginary वो सब fill कर देगा space. Did you understand? Because this one, which was the only thing that was giving it a meaning in binary number, this also fell down, तो उसके पहले वाले zeros आके filled the rest of the places, and this one तो gone in the first place only. So answer will be 0. Okay. How it is read? What do you mean by how it is read? Ankit?
Like 2 greater than or equal to 3. So how is
Left shift and right shift. You will simply say left, 2 times left shift and 3 times right shift like that.
so sir, for any for if the 2 times means 3 times right shift of 2 or anything will give 0 itself, right sir?
Yeah, right shift 2 को 1 से ज्यादा करोगे तो 0 मिलेगा. देख लो.
Okay. Sir, can it be done 2 right shift 0?
Check करो.
Sir, so left shift basically adds
Multiplication effect
towards the
and
right.
has floor division or integer division effect. Okay. 0 0. ठीक है. So it will not do proper division. ये क्या लिख रहे हो अंकित? What did you write? 2 right shift 0 is equals to, देखो जब शिफ्ट ही नहीं किए तो all digits remain in their own place. Okay. Okay. So what I am saying is shifting any number by any number left. So I'll write in the next page. So in short, in brief, we can say in brief we can say shifting left is like shifting left once is like multiplying by 2 and shifting right once is like integer division by 2 or floor division. Why integer division is also called floor division, we will learn when we will see mathematical functions, built-in functions. Floor division by 2. Okay, right? And similarly, if more than one, then powers of 2 या powers of 2 में multiply या divide होगा. Division again, powers of 2 में integer division या powers of 2 में multiplication. Is this concept clear? इस पे मैं ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन नहीं करवाऊंगा. तुम लोगों का टारगेट है कि what you will do is you will take self assignments like you will take any binary number 17 ले लो 16 ले लो 14 ले लो ठीक है 23 ले लो okay convert and then shift it by 2-3 times right and left and see whether after evaluating and analyzing you are getting the same answer. Just a minute. Hello. Okay, let me know, is it clear?
Sir, so any number on the left is multiplied by 2.
Any number is nahi. If you shift any number towards left, okay, 1 times, 2 times, 3 times. If 1 time karoge, तो will be multiplied by 2. 2 times karoge, तो then it will be multiplied by 2 to the power 2. If you left shift 3 times, then it will be equivalent to multiplying like 2 to the power 3. मैं short में भी बता सकता था, ठीक है कि what is the meaning of that, but अगर जान लिए हो कि why it is that way कि left shifting by 2 is like multiplying by 4 and then by 3 is 8, वो मैं shift करके दिखा दिया हूँ ठीक है. So it was earlier I couldn't explain because इसके लिए number system conversion का ज़रूरत था, so I kept it on hold. ठीक है. So ये तुम लोग खुद से try करोगे. You may be asked questions 1 or 2 marks का. Okay. Next exam. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
right. Who all are not there today? There is something seriously wrong with Arpit. I don't know what.
Sir, he attends the other classes.
Yeah, that's what I came to know. I asked. And और कौन नहीं है? गौरव भी नहीं है क्या? 4 people are not here. And then even Vijay is not here. That's pretty disappointing. Anyways, got nothing to lose. चलो ठीक है आगे बढ़ते हैं. राइट नाउ वी विल बी सीइंग ये टॉपिक इतना ही था छोटा सा था अब इफ यू वांट अब तुम बोलोगे तो मैं कुछ असाइनमेंट दे दूंगा इस टाइप का छोटा सा बट दैट्स नथिंग यू रैंडमली टेक नंबर्स ठीक है 17 18 19 उसको बाइनरी में लिखो देन शिफ्ट इट लेफ्ट 1 or 2 or 3 times and see whatever answer you are getting and is the computer telling you the same answer ठीक है सो लेफ्ट और राइट मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करके शिफ्टिंग लेफ्ट एंड शिफ्टिंग राइट एनालाइज check for yourself using this ये 1 2 3 steps है ना so it should that will make you more comfortable क्योंकि मैं सॉल्व करते रहूंगा तब तो फिर कोई तुम्हारा प्रैक्टिस नहीं होगा ना ओके नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज टोकन tokens in Python okay there will be a separate subject in computer science engineering future में जाओगे colleges में that will be known as compiler design ठीक है तो if you write if study that language तो उसका basis है this tokens compiler design is a subject which will enable you to create your own programming languages if you get the gist of that and if you get the hang of it ठीक है that will enable you to understand and maybe if you work if you do a bit of exploration and with some spending some time over the few years you may come up with your own language ठीक है but it takes a lot of effort जो लोगों को इंटरेस्ट होता है वो लोग करते हैं ओके सो दैट इज द सब्जेक्ट उसका बेसिस है ये टोकन्स तो यू विल लर्न मोर अबाउट इट इन द कॉलेज ठीक है ओके सो what I mean by token is everything in Python program is a token. Anything which is not a valid token in Python program this will result in syntax error. That will result in syntax error. ठीक है Python में हर चीज टोकन है टोकन क्या क्या होता है अभी it will be more clear
Symbols, functions.
before we see tokens I'll quickly walk through character set of Python. Okay, so character set of Python में क्या क्या होगा? What are the valid characters or what are the characters that can be used in Python? जब प्रोग्राम लिखते हो तो what are the things that Python program will recognize? कीबोर्ड पे देखो और बोलना शुरू करो इतना सोचना ही नहीं है वो सारा चीज जो कीबोर्ड
Alphabets, numbers.
correct so you will see that what are those things those are upper and lower case
Parentheses.
lower case what you say is characters of alphabet okay then that will include मैं लिख नहीं रहा हूँ वो that is everything that you see A B C D small A to Z and capital A to Z whatever if you are using Unicode then other languages also ठीक है then in short तुम बोल सकते हो ना कि whatever is there in the Unicode chart those are the valid character set of Python okay then you have digits because these everything will exist on Unicode chart of Python digits that is 0 to 9 okay then you have other symbols other ordinary ठीक है कुछ लोग स्पेशल सिंबल्स ये भी बोलते हैं व्हाट आर दोस anything which is not a digit and not an uppercase or lowercase character of alphabet then that will qualify as what you say is your other ordinary and special symbols For example, at the rate, dollar, percent, caret, star, open close parenthesis bracket, जो भी बोलो, periods, that is dot. Okay, such things are your this uh, inverted comma, जो quotes, single quotes, double quotes, forward slash, backward slash, सारा कुछ इसमें आ जाएगा. And then what you have is your white spaces. What are white spaces? These are also the characters but which are not visible or printed. What are those? Batao.
Space. Tab
Space.
space.
Yeah. So these are tab space, then normal space, then
Comments.
comments तो दिखता है ना वो.
Sir, but
Comments
while
of
execution,
these characters. Comments are
Vertical
formed
tab.
using first three.
while execution, it is not shown.
It's not talking about execution. It's talking about whatever you can type and write in the Python program. ठीक है, एग्जीक्यूशन के बारे में मैं बात ही नहीं कर रहा. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट एग्जीक्यूशन, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स कैन बी रिटन इन द प्रोग्राम, पाइथन प्रोग्राम, which can be understood by the this Python compiler or interpreter, not compiler. Space and then new line, enter press करते हो ना. Okay, so these are the things which can be used in the Python programs.
So
So these
what
are
is
the characters.
vertical tab?
हाँ,
Vertical tab.
और देखो वर्टिकल, उसको मैंने यहाँ पे ये गलत कर दिया है. वर्टिकल टैब जनरली नहीं होता है, बट यस पीपल इंक्लूड दोस. मैं इसको टैब स्पेस को हटा के बस टैब लिख दूंगा. दैट विल इंक्लूड वर्टिकल, हॉरिजॉन्टल, ऑल द टाइप्स ऑफ टैब.
Sir, what is that last one, sir?
न्यू लाइन. न्यू लाइन मतलब एंटर प्रेस करते हो ना, दैट इज द न्यू लाइन. Anything is anything printed? No, but it has a effect. What is the effect? You see the cursor coming to next line or move down vertically. Okay. ये सब theoretical है. These में कम 1 marks का आता रहता है. बोर्ड में you will see every year 1 or 2 marks it comes. ठीक है. So what are the different characters which can be used in Python, or the character sets? So upper and lower case characters of alphabet, digits. Okay, then you have other ordinary special symbols that may include everything जितना भी other than digits and alphabets दिखता है तुम्हें, right? And then you have white spaces. ठीक है. In short, you can say whatever is present in the ASCII chart or Unicode chart, everything you will those all the things together form the character set of Python. पर वो शॉर्ट में मत लिख देना everything present in ASCII chart or Unicode chart, that you can add as a comment, but ये 1 2 3 4 करके you will have to write. Okay. Clear? मतलब nothing to explain here, just to mention कि these are the things that can be used in the Python program. Shall we proceed? Yeah, anything to ask here? Yes, anyone? What happened? Nobody is responsive today.
No, sir, no query.
No query. Okay. ठीक. Right. Sir, are programs over for class 11? नहीं. See, don't take it as a program for class 11 and class 12. ठीक है. Programs are programs. You won't be able to figure out कि वो class 11th के portion में था कि 12th में था. See, because one question will definitely come from list, and list is there in class 11, but that will come in class 12 के board में आएगा. Okay. What is the symbol present beside 1 on keyboard? अब 1 और अच्छा लेफ्ट में देखो यार, वो जो कर्व जैसा दिखता है वेवी, दैट स्पेल, अब प्रोनाउंस उसको कैसे करते हैं मुझे नहीं पता, बट दैट इज स्पेलिंग आई नो, TILDE, उसको टिल्डे बोलो, टाइल्ड बोलो, जो भी बोलो, ओके। तो TILDE बोलते हैं शायद उसको, अब वट एवर यू प्रोनाउंस, टिल्डे बोल सकते हो, बट एनीवेज दैट कर्व, वही तो मैं बोल रहा था, दैट जहां तक मुझे पता है, इफ आई रिमेंबर करेक्टली, दिस सिंबल व्हाट यू आर रेफरिंग इज, it's something pronounced as tilde or tiled something, okay. Escape key comes in which type? यार तुम तो कभी मैंने भी नहीं सोचा ये। स्केप, आई थिंक स्केप यूज कर सकते हैं क्या पाइथन प्रोग्राम में? नहीं, स्केप नहीं यूज होगा। सी द स्केप एंड फंक्शन बटन्स, ये जो है ना, एक्चुअली दे आर नॉट the characters or character set of any language, as far as I know. There is a reason that they are known as escape and function buttons, because they perform some function related to your hardware, जो कंप्यूटर सिस्टम यूज कर रहे हो, डिजिटल डिवाइस यूज कर रहे हो, they help you in achieving some of the functionalities. उसमें देखोगे on different softwares it will perform different types of functionalities, okay. So it's more related to the performance of your hardware and software rather than aiding you to write anything, ठीक है? It never aids in writing anything, it's for achieving what's below, वो उसको ये बोलते हो ना तुम, ये जो लिखते हो अपोस्ट्रोफी, शायद है वो। अपोस्ट्रोफी की तो कौन सा होता है, वो नहीं है क्या? लेट मी चेक, वही होगा,
No,
अपोस्ट्रोफी होगा।
apostrophe is that also a single inverted comma.
नो, दैट इज सिंगल कोट्स,
उसको भी apostrophe बोलते हैं।
और उसको भी बोलते हैं, पता नहीं। अरे डोंट ट्रैप मी इन माय वर्ड्स, ठीक है? बेसिक इतना जान लो, इसके अलावा आ जाएगा, इतना डीप में जाके कोई नहीं पूछेगा कि वेयर इज दैट यूज्ड, ओके। इवन आई डोंट नो, इफ यू फिगर आउट लेट मी नो, ठीक है? वाई टू फैब्रिकेट थिंग्स हियर। हाँ, बट व्हाट माय जिस्ट वाज कि मोस्टली क्या, एज फार एज आई नो, एनी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज के लिए भी, एनी अदर प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज में भी यही कैरेक्टर सेट्स होते हैं, ठीक है? नॉट ओनली इन पाइथन। नाउ कमिंग टू नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, ठीक है, दैट इज नोन एज टोकन्स। सो टोकन्स
Sir,
इन,
what is bitwise?
बिटवाइज पे आएंगे हम लोग, उसके लिए वी विल हैव टू लर्न बाइनरी एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन एंड वो सब, ठीक है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1 0 1 1 प्लस 1 0 क्या होगा आंसर? तो 1 + 0 विल गिव यू 1। देखो बाइनरी में कुछ रूल होता है, यू ड्रैग मी समवेयर एल्स, ये बाद में सोचा था मैं बताने का, देखो।
Sir, actually Aditya.
अच्छा, आदित्य पूछ रहा है, 0 + 0 विल गिव यू 0, 0 + 1 will give you 1, 1 + 0 will give you what you say is 1, and 1 + 1 will give you 0 with carry over 1 plus carry over 1, okay. तो इसमें अगर तुम देखोगे, if you add the bits, तो 1 + 0
So
will give you,
it will be 1101.
देखो 1 + 1 क्या होगा? 0 प्लस कैरी ओवर 1, तो 1 + 0 विल गिव यू 1, एंड दिस 1 इज 1 इटसेल्फ। यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं तो 0 इमेजिन कर लो नीचे में, ठीक है? सो दिस रिजल्ट विल बी लाइक दिस। सो इसमें अगर ऐसा होगा ना, तो वही बिटवाइज का मतलब होता है इसमें, ठीक है? कि व्हाट विल बी द रिजल्ट इफ, अब इस पे आएंगे, विल डिस्कस लेटर बिटवाइज, आई हैव जस्ट गिवन यू अ ब्रीफ समरी, ठीक है? समझ में आया तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं आया तो और भी अच्छी बात है फॉर नाउ। सो रफ है, ओके। सो विल कम टू इट एट अ लेटर पॉइंट, बिटवाइज ऑपरेटर्स क्या होता है, ओके। अभी भी बहुत सारे ऑपरेटर हैं, देखो, जो हम लोग देखे नहीं है। बिटवाइज है, मेंबरशिप है, Okay, membership operator and are there one or two or more. तो बस अभी हम लोग, but when the time is appropriate, I will automatically I'll be discussing those things uh, when the time is right. So don't worry about it. Don't explore. Take it. Okay. Just small difference between this and normal क्या था? This and normal addition. No, there is no difference. The rules of addition are same. अंकित डोंट ड्रैग मी देयर, ठीक है? अभी छोड़ दो उसको, विल डिस्कस इट व्हेन द टाइम इज राइट. ओके. हाँ, सीलिंग एंड फ्लोर आर नॉट ऑपरेटर्स, दे आर फंक्शंस. उसको देखेंगे हम लोग बाद में. ओके, अभी आते हैं टोकन्स पे. सो व्हाट आर टोकन्स? टोकन्स आर whatever you write in Python which is valid. Okay, in order for a Python statement or Python script to be valid, it must be a valid token. ठीक है? And the tokens are formed from the character set of valid character sets. जो ये character set है ना हमारा, उसमें से token बनता है. And if that token is acceptable and if that token happens to be valid, then the Python program will work without any syntax error. ठीक है? So for a program, for a Python program, don't worry, we know most of the tokens. We have discussed them separately, but we will see. For a valid Python program, for a Python program to be valid, it must be formed of valid tokens. पर ये टोकन्स है क्या? दो तीन तो हम लोगों को पता है, पर फिर भी देख लेते हैं. Tokens. Okay. Let us see. Okay. Let me see. मैंने भी थोड़ा सा नोट्स बना के रखा है. तो स्टार्ट विथ वी हैव यस आइडेंटिफायर्स. ये तो तुम लोग जानते हो. आइडेंटिफायर्स. सेकेंड इज कीवर्ड्स.
Keyword.
देन यू हैव ऑपरेटर्स होता है. ऑपरेटर्स. देन यू हैव डेलिमिटर्स. Okay. Then you have literals. Okay. And finally you can say you have, उसको बोलते नहीं है स्ट्रिक्ट सेंस में, बट यू कैन टेक इट एज अ टोकन इज योर कमेंट्स जो लिखते हो ना. Anything which which does not fall under these 6 categories in a Python script will result in syntax error. Okay. So what are identifiers?
Sure.
What are identifiers?
Sure.
So they recognize a variable.
They are the names or the labels. Names you can say given to
A variable.
Variables.
not only a variable, to आगे जाके पढ़ेंगे, to variables Functions, when we learn functions, we will also name them. Functions and even classes. क्लासेस से पहले मैं लिख देता हूँ मॉड्यूल्स etc. Classes etc. So in our syllabus we know we have covered variables, we'll be covering functions, okay, we'll be covering modules, will not be covering classes as per the syllabus. However, if time permits, I'll try to cover if you are interested. Okay, because this is a very important concept. Python is, in fact, all the object-oriented programming language is about this thing only. But unfortunately, board के syllabus में यही नहीं है. So I'll try to see if we have time and if we are comfortable. Maybe in 3, 4, or 5, 6 classes, I'll try to cover this as well. Okay, but if you are not interested, you are most welcome. ठीक है, आगे जाके ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि वो board में आएगा. Right. Then you have keywords. What are keywords?
Alphanumeric letter.
Huh?
Alphanumeric. Like that.
Alphanumeric नहीं actually. Identifiers are, oh sorry, these are identifiers with predefined okay meaning or purpose in Python. Okay, such identifiers that is keywords, such type of keywords which for which the meaning has already been defined in the Python have been reserved okay and cannot be used. So what is the difference between पढ़े थे ना हम लोग इलहम you forgot बताओ
I remember, sir, but I did not exactly find any difference between array of this list in Python and array of Java.
let me complete this
No,
meanwhile
you told they're similar. You told they're similar.
किसी को आंसर नहीं याद है I have discussed it.
Sir, homogeneous and heterogeneous, sir.
Excellent. This is the very big difference. How can you forget? Lack of revision have been reserved and cannot be used as ordinary identifier name. Yes, Ilham, how did you forget that? Array में कर सकते हो क्या? Integer array will also contain a string.
Okay, yeah, got it.
Used as ordinary identifier. Okay. इसमें mixed data type का भी list हो सकता है. The list which cannot have, which can have only one type of data type, that is homogeneous type only. Such type of list is known as array. Okay, जो कि Python में नहीं होता है, उन लोगों other languages में C, C++, Java वो सब में होता है. Therefore, the lists of Python are more powerful than or more capable than arrays of other languages. Okay. So identifiers with predefined meaning or purpose in Python are known as keywords. Such identifiers, that is keywords, have been reserved and cannot be used as ordinary identifier. इसके example क्या हैं? Can anybody give me this answer? We have already done. Huh?
Numbers, sir, numbers.
int,
Int.
Not
for,
in, sir. IN.
True, sir.
true, while.
In.
Okay. What are you saying? I'm not able to.
IN,
In.
sir.
Ah, yeah, correct. In. Okay. Float. ये सब जो है ना, इसका मतलब पहले से डिफाइंड है. ओके. सो दीज कैनॉट बी, ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते हो तुम. फॉर, जैसे मैं दिखाता हूँ. वेट. कैन यू डिक्लेयर अ वेरिएबल विद द नेम फॉर? ये तो लिख सकते हैं. दिस इज वैलिड. ए इज इक्वल टू 2. कैन यू राइट फॉर इज इक्वल टू 2? फॉर इक्वल टू 3?
No,
नहीं.
sir.
Okay, why? Because it's a keyword. That means it is an identifier जिसका purpose has already been defined in the Python. And what is the purpose of for? It is used for iteration, looping के लिए.
Repetition.
हाँ, repetition, iteration या looping. Not allow you. It is a key identifier को जो looping के लिए दिया गया है, that cannot be used for other normal identifier purpose. But can we do that? For is equals to 2. Yes. Why?
Because Python follows is case sensitive.
Correct. Very good. Because Python is case sensitive, small f and capital F changes everything. Right? So, याद रखना, in this year also, the sample paper, the very first question was this only. 4 option दिया हुआ था, which one is an invalid identifier. Okay? So now you know the rules of
Sir, for 11th, sir.
हाँ.
11th.
बोर्ड 11th के लिए कहाँ रिलीज करती है? 12th के लिए करती है
No,
ना.
sir. Just no. This question
बोर्ड
paper.
12th बोर्ड
Yes,
का
sir.
मैं बता रहा हूँ. 12th बोर्ड. सीबीएसई का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वाज दिस, इस साल के सैंपल पेपर में, एंड होपफुली इन मेन एग्जाम आल्सो. ओके. सो आई गेव सम सिमिलर क्वेश्चन टू इस बार प्री बोर्ड में भी देखोगे थोड़ा सा चेंज कर दिया था. कैन यू टेल मी द आंसर ऑफ दिस? ऑप्शन भी दिखा
D,
D,
रहा
sir.
है.
D, sir.
D, sir.
हाँ,
D. Only D.
ओनली डी.
Only D.
एनीवन एल्स विथ एनी अदर आंसर? सारे लोग डी पे स्टिक कर रहे हैं. ओनली डी
It's only
इज
D.
इनवैलिड. हाँ,
It's only D.
only D. Okay. So you have now figured out कि why B is correct, क्योंकि वो case sensitive होता है Python. Small f और f in lower case and upper case makes difference. Okay. ये बोर्ड का पहला क्वेश्चन था. I have just changed the
Here
those
means
things.
numbers are not keywords, right, sir?
हाँ?
Numbers are not keywords.
No, numbers are not keywords.
Okay.
Numbers, and we know ना कि identifier should not start with numbers, digits, right? फिर ये बोर्ड का क्वेश्चन था, इसको आई चेंज इट. पर सेकंड क्वेश्चन वाज स्लाइसिंग, वो इजी दिया था, 3 से 5 दिया था, समथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके. तो बोर्ड भी यही से पूछता है, जो हम लोग जो बहुत सारा कर लिए ना. इस थर्ड क्वेश्चन वाज लाइक दिस. आई हैव फॉलोड एग्जैक्टली द बोर्ड पैटर्न. ये सब पढ़ोगे एनीवेज. बोर्ड में यू विल सी कि फर्स्ट 21 1 मार्कर क्वेश्चंस में यू हैव टू अटेंड एनी 15. ओके. दिस इज द इंस्ट्रक्शन. अटेंड एनी. सो ट्रस्ट मी, अगर तुम सब कुछ सही करके जा रहे हो ना, तुम्हें दिखेगा कि आई कैन गेट 100 इन सो मेनी वेज. ओके. ओके, एनीवेज विल कम बैक. सो व्हाट आर द रूल्स ऑफ वैलिड आइडेंटिफायर?
It should start with an alphabet or an underscore.
अंडरस्कोर, करेक्ट. सो रूल्स में हम लोग लिखेंगे, फर्स्ट रूल इज rules for valid identifiers. Fires क्या होगा? First one should start with alphabets with an alphabet, एन नहीं लिखेंगे, ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है, अल्फ़ाबेट और अंडरस्कोर, ओके, followed by any sequence of alphabet, underscore or numbers or any combination of these, but starting should be alphabet or underscore. ठीक है, ये आगे लिख लेना खुद से, followed by any combination of alphabets, digits, underscores. Okay. Then what is the other rule? Should not start with a digit, right? Can it start with special symbols? At the rate?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So देख लेते हैं if you have forgotten. At the rate 2 or at the rate a is equals to 5. Invalid syntax. Okay. Then 2a is equals to 7. Invalid syntax. So that means second rule is digits, special chars not allowed. Okay. What is the third rule?
Keywords not allowed.
Correct. Keywords not allowed. ठीक है, clear? Right. Operators में तो I don't have to define them. Operators are symbols which suggest operations or the processing that needs to be done on operands. Okay. Operators are characters or symbols which suggest or signify the operation or processing to be done on okay. We'll be learning more about operators. Yeah, we'll be learning more types of operators. But what I am saying is you are familiar with this term operator. Of course, bitwise is there and membership operators are there. We'll learn. But अभी मैं बता रहा हूँ कि overall you know the meaning of operators. Okay, operation or processing to be done on operands. Okay, so we are familiar with this. Okay, so this is done, this is done, this is done. Okay, delimiters will come later. Comments जानते हो? What is comment? Only one type of comment is there in Python, that is
Hash.
pound symbol. Okay, hash or pound symbol. This is done. What are literals? इस पे आते हैं later. Literals are values or data used in Python. जो डेटा यूज करते हैं ना, व्हाट आर दोज वैल्यूज एंड डेटा, एंड इसका टाइप मैं लिख रहा हूं, दे आर ऑफ इंटीजर टाइप, दे आर ऑफ फ्लोट टाइप, आर ऑफ integer type, float type, okay, string type,
complex type. Complex.
boolean. So I'm not getting you, Ankit.
Complex types.
हाँ, complex. उसको imaginary बोलते हैं. Imaginary or complex, है ना? So the values in short which can be used in expressions for calculation or the values which reside in the variables, okay, उसका fancy term है literals, okay, right? So this is also done. Okay, चलो डेलिमिटर्स जो बचा है इसको कल देखेंगे. We'll see this tomorrow. Okay. Right. So what we'll do is जिनका अभी I'll stop here only.